Welcome to the Northern Region Market Watch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence, an MRIS company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Northern Region housing market, which includes these areas. Nationally, job growth picked up in April as the nation added 288,000 jobs between March and April. This is the largest gain in over 2 years. The unemployment rate also dropped sharply to 6.3% from 6.7% in March. The unemployment rate has not been lower since 2008. While this decrease is promising, much of the decline was due to a decrease in the labor force rather than a substantial increase in employed people. Nationally, new home sales, pending home sales, and housing starts were below their year-ago levels, but there were some signs of improvement as pending home sales and housing starts did show gains from the prior month. The decreasing number of bank-mediated sales and rising prices and interest rates may play a role in sales in the upcoming months. The local economy lost 1,940 resident workers over the 12 months ending in March, but the unemployment rate decreased to 5.9% from 6.1% in February. Closed sales were up in the northern region in April, though new contract activity cooled. There were 714 closed sales in April, 4.4% more than last year and the highest April level in 4 years. But the number of new pending contracts fell 10% to a total of 973 contracts. Seller activity continues to rise, and the inventory level has now increased from the prior year for 10 months in a row. Active listings increased 22%, rising to 4,080 listings at the end of April. Even with this increase, inventory is only 52% of its 2007 peak. The number of new listings also increased from the prior year. There were 1,606 new listings in April, a 19% increase from last year and the highest monthly level since April 2010. The median sales price in the region reached its highest April level in 6 years. As compared to last year, it increased 1% to $186,500. The median days on market for the region is 47 days, 10 days more than last year, but lower than the 10-year average April level of 63 days. Despite the spring weather, buyer activity in the northern region did not rebound from the earlier winter pattern, but seller activity increased and there were more new listings on the market than in the past 4 years. The new supply of homes for sale may help bolster sales in upcoming months. That's the Northern Region's Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.